Do you know your ABC? Well, let me teach you with my friend Tung Tung. A is for apple. Chomp, chomp. That's right. A is for apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you say apple? Say it. Say it. Say it. Apple. Good job. B is for ball. Roll, roll, roll. Can you say ball? Say it. Say it. Say it. Ball. Good job. C is for cookie. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Can you say cookie? Say it. Say it. Say it. Cookie. Good job. D is for donut. Yum, yum, yum. Can you say donut? Say it. Say it. Say it. Donut. Good job. E is for egg. Can you say egg? Say it. Say it. Say it. Egg. Good job. F is for fish. Can you say fish? Say it. Say it. Say it. Fish. Good job. G is for glasses. Can you say glasses? Say it. Say it. Say it. Glasses. Good job. H is for hat. Can you say hat? Say it. Say it. Say it. Hat. Good job. I is for ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. Can you say ice cream? Say it. Say it. Say it. Ice cream. Good job. J is for jump rope. Can you say jump rope? Say it. Say it. Say it. Jump rope. Good job. K is for kite. Can you say kite? Say it. Say it. Say it. Kite. Good job. L is for lollipop. L-O-L. Can you say lollipop? Say it. Say it. Say it. Lollipop. Good job. M is for monkey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Can you say monkey? Say it. Say it. Say it. Monkey. Good job. N is for nest. Can you say nest? Say it. Say it. Say it. Nest. Good job. O is for octopus. Can you say octopus? Say it. Say it. Say it. Octopus. Good job. P is for pig. Oink, oink, oink. Can you say pig? Say it. Say it. Say it. Pig. Good job. Q is for queen. Can you say queen? Say it. Say it. Say it. Queen. Good job. R is for rabbit. Can you say rabbit? Say it. Say it. Say it. Rabbit. Good job. S is for snake. Can you say snake? Say it. Say it. Say it. Snake. Good job. T is for tiger. Roar, roar, roar. Can you say tiger? Say it. Say it. Say it. Tiger. Good job. U is for umbrella. Can you say umbrella? Say it. Say it. Say it. Umbrella. Good job. V is for violin. Can you say violin? Say it. Say it. Say it. Violin. Good job. W is for watermelon. Can you say watermelon? Say it. Say it. Say it. Watermelon. Good job. X is for xylophone. Can you say xylophone? Say it. Say it. Say it. Xylophone. Good job. Y is for yogurt. Can you say yogurt? Say it. Say it. Say it. Yogurt. Good job. And Z is for zebra. Can you say zebra? Say it. Say it. Say it. Zebra. Good job. Now you know your ABCs. Next time you're bored, just break into song and dance and you'll be a star like Tung Tung.